See guys, the bat. Whoosh. See, it's going. It has gone there. So let me open the. So let me open the window so that he can go past. Shit, ये वाली खोलते हैं. Now I think he can go past. He's not able to go. Maybe he is not able to see the window. He'll come again. See, he came. It's roaming around inside only. I have opened the window. Let's see when he will see the way. See, came. इसको रास्ता क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है यार? चमगादड़ों को तो रात में दिखता है ना. Why is he not able to see? Actually, I wanted to go to the washroom, but he is roaming around here. So I'm thinking if he goes, then only I'll go. Is it dangerous? I don't know. Let's go after 5 minutes. Let's see after 5 minutes whether it is gone or not. Oh, it's there. See, वहाँ बैठा हुआ है. यार, it's risky यार to go there. I need to go to the washroom, but he is sitting there. For him, I also opened the window, but I don't know. He is not able to find the way, I think. Should I go? I think it's fine to go. If I zoom it, see. Let's go. What? Huh? Oh, shit. Coming. Manju, careful. Guys, let's give them one more umbrella. Take. No, it will come back. Window तो ये भी है, but he's not going. I think it's gone. Now it's not coming back.
It went that way.
They're trying. Came again. Careful. Oh, shit. Came. Nice strategy. गया क्या? Shit, it went again there. It will come back.
No, it won't. It is tired. It won't come back.
I think he will come. So guys, just now there was one bat, chimkadad, in the lobby, and somehow it has gone. So now we can sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to go to buy some stuff, and also I need to give my jacket, the big jacket. The chain is not working, so I have to fix that because maybe soon we are going to go to Mount Fuji. I will see you tomorrow morning. Bye. Okay guys, right now you can see it's 4:27 and outside that I'm not feeling like going out. See, it's too hot. Wind is blowing, but the weather is very hot. So, but Shoganai, we have to go. So let's go. If I keep delaying it, it will go late at night and I'll not be able to sleep on time. So better to go right now. I know it's hot weather, but yeah. शोगा नहीं. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm out now and you can see that it's too much of sunlight. Now I'm under the shade. Let me go there and then you will see. See, it's too hot weather right now. And I have taken one bag, this one, and I've taken this one. Bag is for if I buy onions and all. If I buy that, so I need bag for that. So I'm carrying that bag. Just because I don't have onions, I'm going there. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gone today because it's too hot right now. Guys, see this building? It looks so good. The wind is blowing, but it's the hot wind that is blowing. I wanted to buy Fevikwik also, so I came to Daiso to buy it because it will be the cheapest at Daiso. So you can see I am at Daiso. These are the Fevisticks options that I have. So for example, this is for wood and ceramics, and this is multi-purpose. All these are 110 yen. So what I am thinking is to try this one because it has 4, and this is strong cyanoacrylate adhesive mini, super quick drying. So this is for metal. Not even able to read. I think this will help me. So let's buy this one. あ、大丈夫です。ありがとうございます。こちら110円ですね。お願いいたします。ありがとうございます。Guys, I was riding my bicycle and suddenly I saw tomatoes. See. So these all are tomatoes, and till there, no, not till there, till here, it's there, and till here. If I go a little far and show it to you, it looks very amazing. See, I'm feeling like plucking few tomatoes, but no, I don't think it's the right thing to do, at least in Japan. Yeah, even in India, but here you can see that few tomatoes have rotten. Kuch tomato sad gaye. So yeah, and this is a wonderful view, you know, like greenery all around. So it looks very good. Yeah, let's head towards Gyomusupa. Here you can see that they have closed this way because they are saying some construction is going on. So I cannot go from this route, so I have to take some other route, and the other side I have to take a big U-turn. She is doing gardening here. It's a very beautiful area. You see there are benches to sit so that anyone can enjoy, chill, and all greenery. Everywhere it's greenery, you see. So these are the things that you like the most when you are living in a country like Japan. I have already started sweating, and now first I have to go to the shop of the jacket where I can try and repair that jacket. I'm not sure whether he will be able to repair that or not. Actually last month I came here and I asked him whether he will be able to repair that jacket or not. So he said bring the jacket. Obviously he won't be able to tell that before seeing the jacket. So today I'm carrying the jacket. Let's see whether he will be able to fix it or not. So guys, this is the shop. You can see repair shop is written in English, and yeah, let's take the jacket and ask him. And how much will it charge? Kono jacket to chain お修理してもらいたいんですが。はい。
ダンのファスナー交換はだいたいかかっちゃうね。うん。
それを修理するために。
交換するためにね。
それだけ。You know how much he was asking for the repair of my jacket. So let me reach home and then I will show you that what was the problem in the jacket and how much he was asking. First, let's purchase grocery items and then I will tell you after reaching home. Well, that's the shop that we are going to go to, Gyomusupa. So guys, every time I buy this whippy cream, and this is 250 gram, 462 yen. But today I am seeing this one also, and this is 1 liter and 537. So I am thinking to buy this one this time. Let's see how it is going to be. So yeah. We want this ninniku paste, the garlic paste. Guys, I wanted to buy chopped tomatoes, but it's not there. See, chopped tomatoes, it's over. Let me ask. I came to buy parathas also, but parathas are also over. The chapatis are there. What happened today? Chapati is not there, so let me buy tortillas, to make rolls and all. So the price is 267 yen, and 12 tortillas are there. So let's eat this time this. So I've taken 4 products. So yeah, let's do the billing. Forgot to take this one also. So let's take this spaghetti also. 1 packet, or maybe 2 packets. So 2 packets spaghetti, 1 this. Okay guys, so the grocery shopping is done, and the car behind me is not my car, it's somebody else's car. So this is my cycle, and the shopping products, the food products are there inside this bag, and the jacket is inside this. Now let's reach home, and then I'll tell you the price the repair person quoted me for repairing of the chain. The sad part was that I came so far to buy onions and tomatoes, and I didn't get both of them. Okay guys, we have reached home. Okay guys, so I've reached back home, and now let me show you the jacket. And was the jacket, okay, and here if you see, the chain was broken. So this hook is not there, and I asked him to place this hook here, and he said that whole zip will be changed, and he was asking for 4,000 yen. So guys, it's too expensive for me, because I think it is half of the price of this jacket. So 4,000 yen just for the zip, I can't afford to buy. If I calculate it in INR, it is around 2,400 rupees. So for a zip, 2,400 rupees, I can't afford to pay. So let's see what I am going to do, because maybe next month I am going to climb Mount Fuji. For that I needed that jacket. Maybe I'll order a new one, or I'll try to fix it myself. Let's see, I'll tell you in the next vlog, not next vlog, but maybe in some other vlog. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, like the button, subscribe to the channel, press the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.